Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BIM Structures. So this tutorial is also about walls, how we can modify and change the type or change the thickness of wall. For this, we firstly click on the wall icon from here. Then we place a wall from level 1 to level 2. This is a simple wall which we have created between level 1 to level 2. Now we modify it. After selecting it, we can see the properties of this wall. So here are the different thickness of walls. We have selected 12-inch wall, 12-inch masonry wall, 3 by 8 inch, 3 1 by 8 inch wall, and 5-inch wall, 6-inch wall. These are the other type of walls we have. We can use from there, or we can also create our new wall of our designated thickness. So if we change the type of wall from 12 inch to 8 inch, you can see the thickness reduces. If further change to, you can see the thickness of the wall decreases. We can use any type of wall from here, but we can also create our new wall. There is no wall of 9 inch here. Now we create a 9-inch wall or 9 inch of thickness wall. Simply select any wall, that is 8-inch wall, then go in edit type. After clicking it, we duplicate a new file and write here 9-inch. Okay. After that, we have to go to structure tab in edit type. So here is the thickness. We can change the thickness. So this will be a 9-inch wall. Clicking OK. So this is the 9-inch wall. We have created a new thickness wall. In this way, we can create any wall of any thickness which our project required. So the further modifications or the further editing in edit type, there is a core scale fill pattern. So in it, there are the different patterns: solid fill, aluminium, cross hatch, diagonal, earth. We can select any pattern from here. Let's say select a plywood pattern, then click OK, then click apply. Then you will see cross hatch pattern between the walls. So this will be visible in 2D view. If you want to change the color of this wall, then simply edit type, select a fill pattern, solid fill, then change the color. Let's change this color and then press OK. So now you see the wall color changes. So in this way we can change the wall thickness and change the wall color and other properties. You can click here. These are the other properties. Thermal mass. So after that, we have also other properties such as edit profile. We can edit the profile of wall according to our project. So simply click on edit profile. Open any view. Let's we open a 3D view. Now we can change the type of profile or change the dimension of profiles. Let's we create a different shape of wall. We want to create any shape of wall, so we can create from here. Simply click here. Now our edited wall created. So in this way we can create any type of wall we want in our project. Let's we create another type of wall. In this way we can create any type of profile we want to create. So another thing we should mention is the wall opening. This is the wall opening. We can cut a rectangular opening in a straight or curved wall. Simply here, choose a wall and create opening. As you can see, we have created an opening here. We can also let's click here. Now we have created opening here. So in this way we can create, modify wall thickness, wall dimensions, and then the wall profile. Also we can perform wall opening. So this is a tutorial about wall modification. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any query, any question, kindly ask me in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.